So we can get a closer look here at the CZUR scanner and lamp. It's a very interesting design, quite like it. This also pops up and locks into place. Now at the bottom here you'll see a cutout. This is where your cables will feed through for your foot pedal, which is a USB cable device, and another USB cable for powering the device. So you can plug this into a laptop, a Mac or a PC, and that device will power this. So it's powered by USB, and you do get a USB A to B cable as well. So on here you can see the two LEDs and a camera smack bang in the middle of that. Now this just pulls out like that. And locks into place. So this would be the operating position of the scanner. It's got the CZUR Shine logo there. Also a few vents on the side there as well. Now in the box we have this mat. This can roll out. It's got a slight little cutout there. And that's going to go nicely round the base of the scanner there. Now this side is rubbery and grippy, so I'm guessing it's probably best to do it this way so it's not sliding about. So get a good grip, and there we go. So I think this makes it easier for the scanner to read whatever information or pages you put down on here. So you certainly get some good quality thick USB cable. This is USB A to B to connect to the laptop. Okay, so we've applied power to the device. There's a little knob on here. You can turn the light on and off. And this knob also increases and decreases the brightness. But we'll have to find the optimum setting when scanning. So I'm going to install the CD now that we've got with it, get all the drivers and the application there. While the application installs, let's take a quick look at the foot pedal. There we go. This little stapler. Yeah, it's made of plastic, foam bottom there for a grip, and a USB connector. So they use this whenever you want to scan something. I suppose you can put it on the floor as a foot pedal, which it is a foot pedal, and click every time you want to scan. Okay, so the application's installed and it's now launched. I can put my hand under the scanner and you can see my hand there, and there's like a grid that's sort of locked onto my hand. On the side here, look, you can choose flat paper, curved book, combined sides, or scanner selected region as well. Colour, black and white, grayscale, stamps, patterns, non-filter. Let me go and get a book. Oh wow. Now you saw the yellow lines that are now surrounding the box, so it's, if I move that quickly now, you'll see the lines move and then should crop back in. Yeah, so that's going to keep it nice and neat for when it scans. So let's keep it straight like that. So look, yeah, perfect. Now that looks really, really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the pedal. And that has captured the scan, and it pops over there at the far left. That's just processing that now. Can we open that up? Okay, so I've come back here and you can see it perfectly cropped there. And then you can export this Word, Excel, PDF. You can rotate it, crop it, put a watermark, or even print as well. So I think the scanner does a really, really neat job. It's cut out, obviously, all the background, and I think that's another reason why the black matte underneath does a really good job with the accuracy of the cropping there as well. So let's scan something else. If you think the scanner is too high, you can pull this down, remember? So we get closer to the book or paper or sheet or whatever. But obviously you're going to then fit a little bit less in the surface area. So when you do open this out, you got to make sure obviously it fits in the black square. We'll put the scanner back up. So again, the book is locked in. You can press the pedal, or you can press that scan button on the application. Let's go back, and that is pretty much perfect. You can see it's blown out a little bit there, so you could perhaps turn down the brightness of the scanner. So you can also scan a selected region. So please use Control and mouse to select a area. So like this. Let go of that. Then hit scan. If we click back, that is brilliant. That quality is really, really good. You can read that absolutely clear. That's great. So on the curved book setting, if you open up a book, which is obviously a curved book, you align the line in the middle of the book there in the center, and let's hit scan. You can just see on the side here it's exported it into two separate images. If we click back, this is how you could scan a whole book digitally, really. So that's the left hand page, and that is the right hand page, which I think is really good. So we scan back again. Let's keep with the curved book setting, but let's try auto scan and click scan. It should detect the flipping of the pages. So it's scanned that page already. Now if we do a flip, and you can just see now that it's scanning them pages just there, and we should hopefully get some good crops. Yep, there we go, up on the side there. You can just see. Turn the page again. We'll start the scanning process. So I think the auto scan seems to work pretty well. Obviously you're going to be using different size books, different thicknesses, so you might run into certain troubles with some different shapes and sizes of books, but these seem to be working okay. Let's just click back just to check those few. They should populate down here now. Yep, first two pages. Oh, that's come up again, yeah. Oh, there's a load of pages here. And the detail is good. Very, very good. Yep, so you can easily scan a whole book in digitally just by moving the pages over on the book, as long as you've got the auto scan setting checked here. So we've got on checked at the moment, auto scan on, and just click scan. Yeah, so I think that works quite well actually. Obviously it's not super quick. You have to leave a little bit of time between each scan, but it seems to be working pretty well. So I think I've covered quite a few of the features here, guys, on the application. There's quite a lot of stuff you can do within here, and it's quite clever as well. You can export them to Word and a PDF. Let's just try that. You have to select the target first. So you could select all, and PDF. Combined output, so you can have it all together. And let's just click confirm. So here, let's put scanner, hit enter. Here, open that. Yeah, so we opened up PDF Viewer on the Microsoft Edge browser, and here you go, you can scroll through your digital book. So that's not too bad. I think once you get everything finely tuned, like lighting and everything, because you can see a few little dark bits on the side there, they can be optimized if you get the lighting correct. I think it'll do a pretty damn good job. Okay guys, that is pretty much it. That was the CZUR Shine scanner. Here's a scanner and lamp in one. So if you're in need of a scanner to get all your books and everything digital, then maybe take a look at this. Links are in the description below. Any questions, then please pop them down below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.